Hello and welcome to our AirChain tutorial videos. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating an invoice against a purchase order from the supplier portal. When the customer sends a purchase order, you'll receive an email similar to the one displayed on the screen. This email will start with a purchase order identification number. Also, it has the customer name on the subject. In this instance, we are using Demo Customer 3 as the customer name. The body of the email will provide information about the purchase order, username, and customer name. If you scroll down, you'll see an attachment. This attachment is the actual purchase order in a PDF file. If you open this attachment, you'll see details such as the company name, shipping address, and other relevant details. You'll also find the products for which you're creating the invoice. These are the products, along with their tax values, prices, and total. Scrolling further down, you'll find the terms and conditions. To return to the email, simply click on the back button. To go to the supplier page and create an invoice against this purchase order, click on the Click Here to View button. Upon clicking, you will be directed to the supplier portal. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to the purchase order page. However, since we're not currently signed in for demo purposes, we'll need to sign in using our username and password. Click on the Login button. Since I had clicked on the button from the email, it has taken me directly to the purchase order page. However, there are other ways to reach this page. For instance, after logging into the supplier portal homepage, you may notice a notification. By clicking on the bell icon, you open the notification tray. By clicking on the corresponding PO notification, you will be redirected to the purchase order page. Alternatively, from the homepage, you can click on the modules icon, then Purchase Orders, to see a list of all received orders. Clicking on a required code will also take you to the purchase order page. On the purchase order page, you will see all the necessary details, such as the purchase order number, name, and importantly, the payment terms. Hovering over the payment terms will display a breakdown of the advance, on-delivery, retention, and credit payments based on the customer setup. Scrolling down, you will find the list of items, including the product name, quantity, HSN number, price, tax, and other relevant information. Below this, you will see the subtotal, tax value, GST, and the final grand total. Further down, you will find the Notes and Attachments section. If there are no notes or attachments provided by the customer, this section will be empty. If you expand the Terms and Conditions section and click on the eye icon, you can view all the terms and conditions related to this purchase order. The first step to proceed is to click the Accept button. However, if you wish to reject the order, you can click on the Reject button instead. To proceed with this tutorial, we'll click on the Accept button. This opens the Accept page. Here, if you're satisfied with the delivery date provided by the customer, you can simply click Accept. However, if you wish to further break down the delivery date or purchase quantity, you can change the details. Here you can see a specific number. For instance, we'll be able to deliver 5 items on or before the 22nd. You'll notice that the Action button is disabled when the actual quantity and the accepted quantity are the same. If you change your accepted quantity, the Action button will be enabled. We'll click on that and it will automatically provide the remaining available quantity. You can change the delivery date to another date that suits your delivery capabilities. We'll do the same for this item to demonstrate. Once everything is done, cross-verify and click on Accept. If you need to delete a schedule, you can use the Delete icon. After clicking on Accept, a notification will appear stating that the purchase order has been successfully accepted. As you can see, the status has also changed to Accepted. Now you'll have to create an invoice against this purchase order. To create an invoice against this purchase order, click on the Create Invoice dropdown, and then on the Tax Invoice option. This will open the Tax Invoice Creation page. Expand the General Information section, and you'll see the same general information from PO. Moving on to the invoice information, you will need to provide the invoice reference, which is your local reference for your invoice, and the invoice date. The subject is automatically populated from the purchase order, as are the payment terms. You will then need to upload your invoice document as a PDF. And once it's successfully uploaded, you'll receive confirmation. Close this section. You will then see the product details. It's crucial that you verify all these details. If you need to make any changes, you can adjust the quantity here. If everything appears accurate and you're ready to proceed, click on the Submit button. If at any point you wish to return to the previous page, simply click on Cancel. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on the Submit button. A confirmation message will appear, prompting you to click on Submit once more. You will then receive a notification stating that the invoice has been created successfully. This means that the purchase order is now invoiced. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.